welcome back to my channel. Today my video will be on making carrot juice from scratch. The first thing I do is I normally scrape, trim, wash my carrots properly, and then I cook them. Yes, I cook them because once I'm ready to blend to make this juice, I do not strain. I liquefy everything so I get all the nutrients. So here you can see I boil this, cook them for at least 20 minutes or until they're soft, until they're cooked fully. I boil them in the water, and I use the water that was used to boil them to blend them. And if you need additional water, you can also add additional water, because I needed to get additional water. Then I'm ready to blend. Remember, you have to, once this is cooked, you have to make sure it is cooled before you blend. For sweetening, I will be using evaporated milk, tin milk, a little white sugar. I normally add rum or vanilla in it, but I had none on hand, so I'll be using salt to help to give it a little flavor. You can also add supplement. You can also add any other milky product you want to this. You could also add beetroot. I can tell you this carrot juice is nothing short of eggnog. It tastes just like eggnog around Christmas. So here I'm testing to make sure there is no cooked carrot in it that is not yet blended. So you blend, you try with a spoon to make sure it's in liquid form, because I will not be straining. So I cook it, and all the nutrients, once I blend this, I will get it in the juice, although it was cooked. So you know, some of the nutrients evaporated, because that is how water goes on anything that you cooked. And because I overcook them to make sure they're soft, it might lose some of the nutrients, but it is still good because I'm not straining. I cook them, blend them. Once they're cool, then I'm ready to sweeten. And I will not leave any instruction in the description box. Throughout the video, I will tell you what I added to this to sweeten. For those who are watching who don't do sugar or sweetener, I am not sure what to tell you to use, but I use sweetener. I just try not to make it like over sweet, but I do use sweetener to sweeten my carrot juice. So I'm done blending here. I'm about ready now, and I'll show you with a spoon how liquidy, how liquefied this has become. And then you're ready for mixing, ready for serving. Serve over ice, or you can put in the refrigerator to chill. You can serve with dinner or just as a regular refreshment. So here you can see it's liquid. Everything is blended out. So I'm just showing you I blended everything, and I'm about ready to mix. So I use a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup sugar, a tablespoon vanilla, 1 tin condensed milk, 1/2 tin evaporated milk. I added my cinnamon and my nutmeg. I added a hint of almond. Here I'm adding the balance of the tin milk because it was not tasty when I tasted it. Here I served it over ice for you to see what it looks like. It was very refreshing. Again, thank you for watching my video. See you soon in my next video, and I will only be posting one video now Until then, see you soon.